Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Dori. For that I'm going to use this cotton fabric. Cotton fabric is the most difficult to make Dori, and for turning the Dori inside out is always a bit tricky. So here I'm going to show you how to make a perfect Dori in few minutes. So this is the fabric I have, and I'm just going to fold it from a corner so that I get a triangle here, and I'm going to cut along at this edge approximately 1 inch. So here I'm going to measure it. If you want, you can cut it, you can make the mark at 3/4 inches, and if you feel that after sewing, if you feel that your fabric is a bit extra, then you can cut along the edges inch or 3/4 inch. So here my marks are ready, and I'm just going to cut it along. And now I'll cut it from here. So this is the bias fabric we have, and this one has got the most elasticity of cotton fabric. So here I'm going to show you how to stitch it and turn it inside out very quickly. Here I'm going to show you a trick how to make your Dori quickly. This is the Dori thread we usually get from market, or you just get the usual sewing thread and make it 4-fold and make it as long as you want to make the piping. So at one end of this thread I'm going to make 2-3 knots, just like this. And this is the fabric, this is the right side, and this is the wrong side of the fabric. So I'm going to put this thread inwards, right side of the fabric. So this is the wrong side. I'm going to make stitches here, and the knot is outside, you can see, and here I'm going to stitch it. I'm going to use white thread just to show you my stitching. Make sure you don't stitch this thread. My stitching is finished, and what we can do, we can cut this extra fabric if you want, or you can just leave it inside. So I've got my extra fabric. So now I'm going to turn this Dori inside out. So I need to pull this thread to turn this Dori inside out, and from here I'm just going to turn this fabric over the raw edges and gently pull this thread. So here is the Dori, you can see, and here you can see that my Dori is ready within few minutes. And now you can attach your Dori anywhere on your neck or your kurti. So here you can see you can make your Dori very quickly with this a little trick. I hope you liked today's video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.